Okay, here we are at Murillo Motors. How are you?
Very well,
thanks.
thanks.
Yeah, now we have a quick look around. This is your office, and tell us about how you manage your books there.
Oh, quite easy with memory, know where everything is.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
It's taken 35 years to accumulate all this.
Yeah, well that's great. Now, do you use an accounting system?
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
But we also combine manual system to go with it too.
Yeah, and why don't you all go all computerised?
Oh, some people don't believe that the computer's right, and so you've got to have a bit of both to back you up.
A bit of both. Now, what about when it comes to goods and services tax? Isn't that a bit of a problem?
Oh, not really.
Yeah, do you do that manually as well?
We do some manually and some with the computer there.
Yeah, and so a lot of hard work.
Well, it is. It's a lot of hours.
How many hours do you put in compared to working in the service station?
Oh, I would probably put in about 70 plus hours a week.
Okay, alright, this is a film for posterity. Okay, see you later.
See ya.